If your Chevy Equinox won't connect to Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. The good news is that 85% of these connection issues are solved with simple software or hardware resets. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify why your infotainment system is acting up. Start by checking your cable and performing a soft reset of the MyLink system by holding the home and fast forward buttons. Many owners forget that Siri must be enabled for CarPlay to launch, so double-check your iPhone settings first. If the phone isn't even charging, you might have a blown fuse or debris trapped inside your phone's charging port. Newer Equinox models use wireless CarPlay, which relies on a Wi-Fi handshake rather than just a physical cable. Statistically, half of all CarPlay issues are caused by a faulty third-party cable that cannot handle data transfer. If all else fails, delete the pairing on both the car and the phone, then perform a clean reconnect. Keep an original Apple cable and a toothpick handy to keep your connection stable and clean. Check your Chevy settings menu for over-the-air updates, as GM frequently releases patches for phone connectivity. With these steps, your Equinox should be back online. Drive safe and enjoy your music.